Good morning, Orange Pot.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
We just finished multiplying decimals. Can you multiply decimals?
Yes.
All right, a decimal, we have two definitions for a decimal. First of all, where do decimals live? So on a number line, if this is 0 and this is 1, all the decimals live in between them, right?
Yes.
And then place value would be the value, the worth of a number based on its position on the place value chart, right?
Yes.
If a number 4 is in the hundreds place, if the number 4 is in the hundreds place, what's it worth? 400. Do you guys know how to multiply integers?
Yeah.
Do you guys know how to multiply integers?
Yes.
This integer, 29 times 18, or these integers, is almost the same as this, but this is 29 times 1 and 8 tenths. See the difference?
Yes.
Literally all of the math is the exact same. The only difference in this problem is this one has a decimal point, right?
Yes.
How many numbers are after the decimal point?
1.
Does this number have a decimal point?
No.
So altogether, there is one number after a decimal point in my two numbers I'm multiplying, right?
Yes.
So in my product, the answer, how many numbers should be after the decimal point?
1.
They should match, right?
Yes.
Okay. We good with this?
Yes.
So like for this one, why did I rewrite this? Can you solve it going across your paper like that?
No.
So I rewrote it. Why did I put 7/100ths on top?
Because it has more digits.
It has more.
Digits.
I see some people with their pencils in their hand. Why are our pencils in their hand? Put it down. Eyes on the screen. Eyes on the screen. We're up here. So this has more digits. Even though it's a smaller number, it has more digits, right?
Yes.
7/100ths is actually smaller than 4/10ths. So I put more digits on top, less digits on the bottom, right?
Yes.
I go ahead and I multiplied everything out. And then I realized, whoa, 7/100ths has how many numbers after the decimal point?
2.
4/10ths has how many numbers after the decimal point?
1.
And we know that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, right? So how many numbers have to be after the decimal point in my product or my answer?
3.
So I've got decimal point, 1, 2, 3 numbers. Do I have 3 numbers after the decimal point in my product?
Yes.
If you can multiply, all you got to do is be able to count numbers after decimal points and make sure it matches in the answer. Yes or no?